You will be taken to the dashboard as soon as you have completed the setup. The dashboard will show you your next tasks so that you can finish your app smoothly and publish it in the app stores. Let's go ahead and modify your app. Click on Edit App on the left-hand side. On the left side, you will see the 3 available modes. The widget tree shows you an overview of your app, the pages, and all the widgets it contains. You can quickly navigate through your app using the widget tree. Click on the Add icon to switch to Creation mode. Here, you will find all available widgets and elements that you can add to your app. Next, add a text and picture. Give it a title and a short description. Expand the Image tab and click on Gallery. Here you will find your existing images. You can also upload new images or use free image services such as Unsplash. Once you have selected an image, click on Add at the bottom. Now we will add a category. A category is a new entry that will open a page. Here you can also enter a title and a description and select an image. As you can see, a new page is now automatically created and linked to the category. We can now click on this page and add content there. Add a title, for example, Travel Tips. Click on Add to add the title. Let's go back and create a blank page. Click on New Page. Let's give it a title, for example, Things to Do in Switzerland. To access this page, we need to add a button. Click on Open Page. Give it a title and select the previously created page. And that's about how you can create your app. Click on Put Online to make our changes live. Now let's click on Live to test our app. Here you see the app exactly how your users or customers will see the app.